Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to turn on the Nespresso Essenza Mini coffee machine. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. So as you can see right here, this is the Nespresso Essenza Mini coffee machine, and the first thing that you need to do is make sure that it is plugged in. This one is plugged in over here to this little power bar, and the power bar is indeed turned on. And basically, to turn it on is very, very easy to do. A lot of people think that you can just open the lever and close it to turn it on, but that unfortunately doesn't work with this machine. With some machines, you can just open it and close it, like with my Keurig at home. You can do that, but with this machine, with the Essenza Mini, once it's plugged in, you need to either press the espresso button or the lungo button over here, okay? So you can press either this button over here, which is the espresso button, or this one, which is the lungo button over here. So I'm just gonna press the espresso button, and as you can see, I've turned it on. That blinking means that it's warming up. I previously had just used this machine, so it is already warmed up. When you see these solid lights, it means that it has been turned on and it is indeed ready to be used. And it's literally that simple. Very simple. If you want to turn it off, press both of them together. To turn it on, I'm just going to press the lungo button now. And as you can see, it's already warmed up, so that's why the lights are illuminated and not blinking. And it's literally that easy. That is how to turn on the Nespresso Essenza Mini coffee machine. An easy tutorial with super easy instructions to follow along with at home with your own machine as well. And that's it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.